Hello everyone, welcome back to Amagama, the home of African names. We're back at it, shining the spotlight on Xhosa names that captured the hearts of South African parents. On the last video, semi-vintage names stole the show. Will they keep rolling the charts? Let's jump in and find out. At number 5, we've got 4 new entries. We've got Sipho Lwandle, Iminati, and Asemahle. Sipho is a semi-vintage unisex name that means our gift. Then we've got Lwandle, a nature-inspired moniker meaning ocean. Iminati is a unisex gem that symbolizes divine presence and support. And lastly, we've got Asemahle, a timeless girl's name meaning they are still beautiful. What do you think of the newbies? Let us know below. Coming in at number 4, we've got familiar favorites making a comeback. We've got Banele and Okuhle. Banele, Okuhle. Next up, we've got Lisakhanya, Amahle, and Lubanzi. Lisakhanya is an adorable girl's name that's all about hope and positivity, meaning the sun is still shining. Then we've got Amahle and Lubanzi making their big return. Amahle stays a total classic on the girls' side, while Lubanzi, a unisex name, is more popular with the boys. Okay, before we reveal our top 2, let's talk about the shocker of the day, the names that took a tumble off the charts. Fan favorites Thando Lwethu, Luthando, Sipho, Samkelo, and Bandile are nowhere to be found on the charts this time around. Crazy, right? Please do tell us below which one of the chart drop-offs surprised you the most. Alright, let's hop back into the countdown. At number 2, Enzokuhle is staying solid, refusing to let go of that run-up spot. And at number 1, Melokuhle is still reigning supreme, locking down the first place once again.